Okay, folks, okay, year 11. Let's look at this question here involving equations of straight lines through 2 points, okay? So question 13, okay, from an GCSE Maths Higher Tier Plus paper, you're looking at coordinate geometry. E is the point with coordinates minus 5, 12. B is the point with coordinates 19, minus 48. Find the equation of a straight line over the straight line passes through the points A and B. So answer's going to be in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is our gradient and c is our y-intercept. Okay, so step 1, to work out our gradient is the change in y over the change in x. So it's minus 48, okay, minus 12, okay, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 all over 19 minus 5, okay, so minus 48 minus 12 becomes minus 60 over 19 minus 5 becomes 19 plus 5, which is 24. Okay, so can we simplify this? We'll divide top and bottom by 6, and we get minus 10 quarters, by top and bottom again by 2, and I get minus 5 halves. So the gradient here is minus 2.5 or minus 5 halves. So it's going to be in the form y is equal to minus 5 halves x plus c. Now this is technically on a calc paper. I'm going to try and show my workings here if I can. So yeah, so sorry, yeah, if I reach for my calc 4, I can now sub in one of the coordinates to work out what c is. So let's go for, for the coordinate, first coordinate. It's a, so I have 12 is equal to minus 5 halves times minus 5. That'll be 25 halves plus c. And now I'm going to subtract this on both sides. Okay, this same thing, 24 halves. So c is equal to minus a half. Okay, so subtract 25 halves on both sides. Remember, 12 is the same as 24 halves. 24 halves subtract 25 halves gives you minus a half, or minus 0.5, or minus 0.5. So the final answer is going to read y is equal to minus 5 halves x minus half, and that, guys, is our final answer in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m equals minus 5 halves and c equals minus a half. Okay, so yeah, so this is technically a calc question, but can also appear on a non-calc exam paper. But yeah, okay, so yeah, if you're unsure, obviously please do check it out on your calc paper. Okay, but yeah, this is from an IGCSE Maths Plus paper looking at equations of straight lines given 2 points. Okay, so the key bits to remember are m is the change in y over the change in x. Okay, and c is where it crosses on the y-axis. So to work out c, once you've worked out what m is, you obviously sub in a set of coordinates, either a or b in this case, to work out c. Obviously rearrange it. To work out the gradient, which is how steep the line is the change in y over the change in x, so delta y over delta x, the change in y over change in x, the difference in the y coordinates over difference in the x coordinates, and that will give you your gradient of the straight line. Okay, thank you.